Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the long-awaited setup video. It's not a process, I'm just gonna show you what I have in my mini happy planner. So if you're interested, keep on. Anyways, so to get started, I just want to let you know that this binder is from Recollections. I took off the rings. It was a huge disaster, but anyways, it's for me, so it's okay. Everything will be on the description box. Every shop that I use, everything will be there, so try to check. If anything, you can ask me anything. So I don't want to show that part because I put some washi and it's coming right off and it's not looking pretty. So on this side over here, I have a die cut and a paper clip. I'm still working on the setup for this planner, but since I'm almost done and we're almost halfway through February, I figure I would just show you how everything is looking. And over here I have this pen that I have from one of my old Planner Society subscription boxes. And let's get on with the planner. So in case you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Leslie. So I picked out the Supermom Mini Happy Planner for this year, and I did change the cover from last week to now, and also the rings. These are the black metal rings. Alright, so every dashboard that I have is from Digital Dash. If you are not familiar with Digital Dash, it's from Planner Press. The girl from Planner Press, I'm sorry, I don't know her name, but she's really sweet and I love her subscription box. Everything is printable, so all of these dashboards are printable. She has stickers, die cuts, you name it. I do not have a sticker machine, which would have made it a lot cuter than this, but for those of you that have a Cricut or Silhouette, that would be the best. I will have a link to her website on my description box. I am not being sponsored or I'm not her PR, but I really love her stuff. Anyways, this is her February kit. So I print out this dashboard that says hashtag friends forever, and I put this sticker from the Happy Planner. And over here I have a picture of my little man, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, okay, you can see it. And this is a die cut from an Etsy shop whose name I do not remember. This die cut is from Michael's, and this is one of those cards I used when I started doing a lot of scrapbooking. So I have a whole bunch of them, and that one went well with Valentine's theme. Alright, so I did put my initials here. So this is the first divider. I only keep 6 months at a time in my planner because I like to add a lot of extras and Frankenplan and all that. So this is for January. I just kept it simple and I added this gold glitter sticker that says xoxo. And I added a little paper clip. I don't laminate my dashboards just because I keep changing them around, and what's the point? So here is February. I did this little pocket. I did laminate this because I wanted to make it a little harder, and I did round up the corners because I really like doing that. And I love that the paper is double-sided. And this is the dashboard that I chose for February. It's all about friends and Valentines. I do have my husband, but I thought this was real pretty because it has a lot of pink. And I add the Happy Valentine's Day with these stickers right here. Oh, and this bow that you guys have seen before. I need to get myself some more. So here is March. I add this this one with the Starbucks coffee. Oh, and in case I didn't mention, she has the option to add the skin tones for the girls and also the hair color. So I thought that was really nice. So here you have the sticker that says hey darling. I add these 3 little stickers and a paper clip, and we move along to April. I decided to just keep April like this because I don't know, I thought it was just good the way it was. And it says life is sweet, and it has donuts, which it makes me want to eat donuts, you guys, I'm not lying. And then we have May. This scrapbook paper is from Michael's, from an old pack. I cut the pages out, so I don't remember what collection it was. I'm sorry, you guys. And I added more stickers. And this is the last divider, which I always keep it really, really simple at the end because I really don't flip through this page that much. And then we have my favorite section, well, one of my favorite sections from the planner. And in here I added, so in here I add this planner, happy planner thing that you see. And then you guys probably own one of this. Oh wait, I forgot to mention that I made this cover thing. I watched one of the Happy Planner Girls video, and oh my god, that was so nice of her to make that video. If I remember her name or the name to her channel, I will be putting a link because that was a great idea. Basically, you just make it and you can put whatever you want in here. But this one is from the Happy Planner. So I add these little cards that they come in a pack, and I think they're from Heidi Swap, or I don't know, I just cannot remember. I add this card and I put pictures of with my husband and Elijah. And then same thing in the back. The little card was double-sided, but I added this one here. I print this one out. And this is those little cards and a picture of Elijah with a Snapchat filter. And here I have this card that says Super Mom, Super Wife, Super Tired, so relevant. And I have Elijah's section in here. So I laminate this sheet, I punch some holes, and I put this bow from Shine Sticker Studio. And this sticker right here is from my planner bestie that she sent me when I had Elijah. So these dividers that I'm gonna show you are from Annie Plant's Printables. I didn't know that she had dividers, no wait, that she had inserts for the Happy Planner, which was amazing. I love them. And my planner bestie taught me how to do this and put his name, but I'm gonna show you, and give me a moment because I don't want to show obviously the kids information. Okay. Alright, so basically I wanted to show you a little piece of the divider. So in here you get to put your child's name, the doctor's information, the address, and if they go to school you get to put the name of the school and everything. Okay. And in here, so here you put on this page, which goes after the other one, I did do it double-sided, which was a pain because I didn't know how to print double-sided. But anyways, basically in here you fill out when you take your child to the doctor and the reason for the visit, the time, the date, everything, which I think it's great. And in here you put the medication that they gave them, the dosage, the time that you have to give it to them, and the date they started, and you could put the day they end. So basically on the other side of the page that I didn't show you, I've been keeping track of Elijah's sleeping time because he's been having a lot of trouble with sleep lately, and I wanted to just keep track of everything so I can let the doctor know on my next visit. So I printed out the back of the page. And then here I have another one, and I had a little pocket here which I took off because I didn't like it, so I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing later. And in here I have this little pen loop. Yeah, I made this little pen loop a while back, and basically it's just with a little piece of elastic with a binder clip. That's it. I know people are getting a lot more creative lately, and you are gonna hear the ice cream truck. I'm sorry, I cannot do anything about that. So this is also from Annie Plant's Printables, and these, okay wait, not yet, this is the monthly one. So these are from January through March. So basically the first few weeks of January I just didn't do anything because I didn't know that this existed. I'm really horrible cutting papers. As you can tell, they're not completely perfect, but that's for me, for myself. I am franken planning with these inserts and my regular dashboard. Let me show you in case, yeah, I'm gonna show you in case you don't follow me on my Instagram. Wait a moment. All right, so here's 1 week that I am franken planning with that insert, and here's the regular week, which is the regular dashboard layout. So that's basically what I'm doing, and that's the end of that. Also, I put the names again with the help of my planner bestie. But if you want me to make a video showing you, I will be glad to do it. Alright, so the next section is my Instagram section. It says Instagram because you can keep track if you are in a PR team, and if you have any codes, if you want to post any pictures. So I started out posting pictures and just basically putting what I do for my Instagram. But now I am in Charmaine's PR team, which is very exciting. I will be putting a link for her shop, and I will also be putting a coupon code that you can use in her shop. I write what I will be doing, video ideas, and I do decorate it some, and I don't want to show you too much because I'm coming up with new ideas. Anyways, that is pretty much it for my planner. I'm pretty sure I will change it for next month because I've been getting the sneak peeks from Planner Press, and it's gonna be so cute. I really hope you enjoy watching, and if you're new, I hope you would like subscribing to my channel. I like to post videos here the most that I can, but most of the times I have videos for Sunday. I don't have a video for every Friday. I really try, but it does not happen every Friday. I hope you enjoy watching this one, and I will talk to you all soon on my next one. Bye!